guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular railway station over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be modeling over here, we have small elements over here which will be modeling over here. So let's go over here. Let's select this. Let's take a box over here. I'll just slightly push this up in this way. So let's go over here. I'll just make this as 0. So let's just slightly drag this down, resize it. So convert to editable poly. So select all these edges. Let's slightly give a bit of chamfer to it. Select this. Let's give a bit of chamfer. I'll just add it in this way. I do have some other image as well. So I'll just go over here. I'll just place it in this way. Again, I'll duplicate it. I'll just place it over here at the center a bit. So there are multiple things which will be modeling over here. So let's again take a box over here in this way and select this. So let's give a taper modifier. So I'll just slightly assign a taper over here and convert to poly. So select this. So select this edges over here. Let's give one connect over here in this way. So I'll select this edges. Let's give some connect over here. I'll just make this as 0. Click OK. Now select this, drag this a bit up in this way, and let's just push this up in this way. So we can just create something like this. So select this polygons. Let's select this edges. Let's ring it. Control and click on this. And let's slightly extrude it by local normal. Click OK. Let's go over here. Let's take a cylinder over here. So let's create a cylinder. So I'll just place this over here in this way. I'll just reduce the height segments. Convert to poly. Select the polygons. Slightly give a bit of inset over here. Let's give a bit of bevel slightly, and let's select this, select the polygons, slightly push this out, and let's give a bit of chamfer. Click OK, and I'll just go over here and I'll mirror it in x-axis. over here. So let's just duplicate this stuff over here. Let's attach it with this. Select this polygons and this polygons. Let's just bridge this. So we can just select this whole thing and let's just group it over here, and I'll slightly just make it more smaller in this way. So let's just duplicate it over here. Let's make some more copies over here. We can do that stuff over here. Also we have some other elements as well, so I can just make some copies over here. Let's create a cylinder over here. So just slightly drag this up over here, convert to poly, select the polygons, let's give a bit of bevel over here, click OK, slightly give a bit of inset and let's extrude it up, push this up till here. So let's click on this, select the edges, and I'll slightly give a bit of chamfer to it. So we can just create this copies as well in this way. So just drag this over here as well. So just save your file once. Now again take a box over here, or else you can just take a cylinder. So I'll just go into this. I'll just make this as 0, convert to poly. So select the vertices, slightly scale it. Let's go into this and let's put one connect over here down, and select the polygons again. Let's extrude it by local normal. That's it. Now let's go to the top view, select this, press R and scale it from one side. Scale it from one side, so you can just select this much and exclude this. Scale it from one side. Scale it from the top. Again select this, scale it from the top. So slightly we can shuffle it inside if needed. Select this, we can shuffle it a bit inside in this way. So let's select this and you can scale it from the bottom as well and make it straight over here. So I'll just give any color to it. I'll just place it in this way. We can just, so we are creating this small assets for this tutorial. So again, make a copy of it. You can make multiple copies of it over here. So let's take another reference. So it is going to be there over here as well. So let's just make this copies here as well. So slightly I'll just shuffle this. Again, make a duplicate of it. Drag it further. So select this and let's make a copy of it. So select this, let's go over here and let's attach it with this. Select the polygons. So let's go over here, select this, now duplicate it over here in this way, shuffle it a bit over here, slightly rotate it and place it. Alright, so let's just save the file once over here again. So I'll just select this, select this, so let's go into the material and let's just assign the shader over here. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.